Hello everyone. Welcome to the solution of LeetCode problem 2583 named K, the largest sum in a binary tree. In this problem, you are given the root of a binary tree and a positive integer K. Now, the level sum in the tree is the sum of the values of the nodes that are on the same level. Now, we have to return the Kth largest level sum in the tree, not necessarily distinct. And if there are fewer than K levels in the tree, we have to return -1. Note that two nodes are on the same level if they have the same distance from the root. Now let's consider this first example. Here, the root is 5, which has two children, 8 and 9. 8 has two children, 2 and 1. 9 has two children, 3 and 7. 2 has two children, 4 and 6. So the level 1 sum will be 5, the level 2 sum will be 17, the level 3 sum will be 13, and the level 4 sum will be 10. So we have to find the second largest sum, which is 13, after 17, obviously. So we have to return 13 as the answer. I hope you understood the problem statement. Now let's move on to the algorithm. Now here, to understand the algorithm, we have taken the same example. So here in this problem, we have to basically calculate the sum of each of the level of all of the node. Now, as we have to calculate the level sum, we will use the BFS because BFS is the level by level order search. So we will start the BFS from the root and calculate the level sum here. So here the level sum will be 5 into the first level. In the second level, the sum will be 17. In the third level, the sum will be 13. And in the fourth level, the sum will be 10. So if we apply the BFS, we will calculate the level sum for each of the level and we will store them into a vector. So in the vector, we will store 5, 17, 13, and 10. Now, if we sort this vector, it will become 5, 10, 13, 17. Now, if we reverse it, the vector will become 17, 13, 10, and 5. So suppose we have to find the second largest level sum. That means K is equal to 2. So we will simply return this value, which is the index number 1 presented here. And this is how basically the algorithm works. And this is a pretty straightforward algorithm. I hope you understand it. Now let's move on to the code. In this problem, the code is pretty simple. We are given a function named Kth largest sum. We are given a root and integer K. Now we are taking a vector VC. We are taking a tree node Q. Now we are inserting the root into the queue, and while the queue is not empty, we have to calculate the size of the queue and initialize sum with 0. Now while for each of the element in each of the level, the front element of the queue will be stored in the variable current. After that, we have to remove it and add the value of the front element into a variable sum. Now, if the current element has left and right children, we have to insert it into the queue. Now we have to insert the summation to the vector. Now we have to sort the vector and we have to reverse it. After that, if the value K is greater than vector of size, we have to return -1. Otherwise, we have to return vector of K -1. I hope you understood the code. Thank you everyone for watching the video. We will get back soon with another LeetCode solution.